check. What's up, my party people? It's your girl, and you know I got the sis, right? The 4 to the 1 to the 1. And today, all I can say is free at last, free at last. Dizzy is free at last. It's official. Today's the day he gets out of jail and steps right onto the pavement. And we gonna hope and pray that he never has to go to jail again.
Free us from captivity. All who cut up and up in bracelets. Watch it. All who fled from the leash. Refugee, jump here. Say we now go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we are go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Me step out and hold me one for sure. Oh. Real hustlers a road and make money galore. Hey, so me say if you ever been to jail before, you have to keep a eye open even if you a snore. One mount a cardboard, some man a beat it on the floor. Tired for mark, next I hear the steel doors are rough. Plus the water them. If you ever been behind the bars, although some innocent them have to live with the scars. You can't this kind of day you come a road a war. You can't wake a man with dip in your cookie jar. Say we now go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we a go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Me step out and hold me one for sure. Oh. Real hustlers a road and make money galore. In a jail, me say touch step on the side and the snake step on the yard. Can't this no man but you do life in a them yard. Get in from the water if you go round the yard. You can't drop no soap on the border like Shabada. Can't have a next man a plot to hear. Can't have a next man a spot. Can't have so much money or food by your commissary and a go on like a now. So we now go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we a go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Me step out and hold me one for sure. Oh. Real hustlers a road and make money galore. Hey, so me say if you ever been to jail before, you have to keep a eye open even if you a snore. One mount a cardboard, some man a beat it on the floor. Tired for mark, next I hear the steel doors are rough. Plus the water them. If you ever been behind the bars, although some innocent them have to live with the scars. You can't this kind of day you come a road a war. You can't wake a man with dip in your cookie jar. Say we now go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we a go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Me step out and hold me one for sure. Oh. Real hustlers a road and make money galore. In a jail, me say touch step on the side and the snake step on the yard. Can't this no man but you do life in a them yard. Get in from the water if you go round the yard. You can't drop no soap on the border like Shabada. Can't have a next man a plot to hear. Can't have a next man a spot you. Can't have so much money or food by your commissary and a go on like a national. If you ever been through what I've been through, Kappa could have swing through. Have to pay your dues, have to make your moves, have to go and listen to the signal tunes. Sound it. Some say, Taz, Spooky, Jump you, Kamar. Hey, them friend when we working. Meanwhile they come on the and slept. Jesus wept. Sound it.